And today we are going to see UNIX experiment number 10. In this there is inter-process communication. So till now we have used inter-process communication using pipes. Now we are going to do inter-process communication using shared memory. So in this, process A will be writing something in a shared memory, and that will be obtained from the process B, and then it will be reversed and it will be shown. So this is our process A. In this process A, we are asking the user for shared memory and asking a key to be created where it should be created. So SAMGET will allocate that memory, and with 100 and IPC create, and the permissions are 0764, which is 7 for the owner, that is read, write and execute. 6 is for others, that is execute and read. Read is 4, and this is read and write, not execute. So other group cannot use it, and others can just read it. And then we have cout shm id, so it will print the id which we will obtain from here. And then if it is shm id, like shared memory id, if it is less than 0, then that means that shared memory has not been created. Otherwise, what we will do, we will attach it as a shared memory attach with that process. So its virtual address will be this shared memory will be converted to character array and pointer, and then shm id will be given, and 0 and 0. So it will be attached to that process, running process, and we will ask the user to enter a string. When user will enter a string, and we have already created a character array, it will be pointer, it will be stored in that, and it will be passed in that shared memory. So the user enter will be passed in the shared memory, and then it will go to sleep for 15 seconds. Then the process B will be start executing. This is our function for reversing of a string. So in this, character will be obtained and it will be reversed. So if it is not equal to 0, then counter plus plus, and again from the reverse side it will be printed in, stored in that array AFI. A simple program. Then over here we have enter key for shared memory, and in shared memory we are going to obtain it. So we are going to, in the from the shared memory we are going to take the key, and then we are going to just call that function. So this is samget, this will take it. So the key is already entered. This key should be same as this key. When this key is obtained, then we are going to, again with the same permissions, we are going to open it, and then we are going to get that shm id. If shm id is still less than 0, then the memory is not been created. Otherwise, we are going to attach it with this process. If we attach with this process, we can obtain that value. So we are getting that virtual address, and this, then received string str is printed, and when then we pass it to the function reverse str, and then string is copied back. So this returned value will, this string is copied into reverse string, and then we are just going to print out this string. So then this will be printed, and it will obtain that string value. So let's execute it and see. So this is our sample. Once I have tried, so this is a sample input. So this is the shared memory, and this is their id, and then this is the our string. Then now it will go to this part, it will ask for the user for its that same number process enter key. So this is the key, and then this is the reverse received string. When this received string, so the process B will do its reverse, and this is printed. And over here we can also see it. So let's do it again. The shared memory address should be bigger, so that it could be made. Otherwise, already if there is this memory is utilized by some other process, then it cannot be made. So we can its shared memory has been created, and it's attached with that number, and now where string, so it is 9945. So here we can say that Yes, it has received the string and its reverse is over here, and over here we can also see that it has been executed and completed successfully. So that's all. Thank you for watching.